possession claim is one of the final stages of mortgage enforcement in Queensland. But receiving one does not necessarily mean you'll lose your property or that you have no options available. A possession claim is typically commenced after a borrower has defaulted on their loan, received a default notice, and failed to remedy the default within the required time. The lender then applies to the court for orders allowing it to take possession of the property and ultimately sell it to recover the debt. However, before those orders are made, the borrower may have opportunities to challenge the claim or negotiate an alternative outcome. One of the first issues to consider is whether the lender has properly complied with all contractual and statutory requirements. This may include whether a valid default notice was issued, whether the required time to remedy the default was provided, whether the correct procedures were followed, and whether the claimed debt has been accurately calculated. Defects in these steps can sometimes provide a basis to resist or delay enforcement. Borrowers may also have substantial defences available. For example, there may be a dispute about the amount owed, allegations that payments have not been correctly credited, questions about the validity of the loan documentation, or issues arising from the lender's conduct. In some circumstances, borrowers may also seek relief based on hardship, unconscionable conduct, or other legal principles, depending on the facts of the case. Importantly, defending a possession claim does not always mean fighting the matter all the way to trial. In many cases, the focus is on obtaining additional time, negotiating a payment arrangement, refinancing the loan, or arranging an orderly sale of the property before enforcement occurs. Early engagement with the lender can often improve the range of options available. Timing is critical. Possession proceedings are governed by strict procedural rules and court deadlines, and failing to respond promptly can significantly affect the borrower's ability to challenge the claim or negotiate a resolution. Because possession claims involve a combination of mortgage law, civil procedure, evidence, and commercial strategy, understanding whether there's a viable defence and what practical options remain available can make a significant difference to the outcome and the ability to protect your interests. Contact us today for a free 30-minute consultation with one of our experienced team of litigation professionals, and let us help you protect your rights.